Hey everybody, I did a video on the Gerber Dime earlier, but I forgot one thing on here. Alright, so we have the scissors, and we have the flat blade, and the file, and the lanyard hold. We have the regular blade, and this is called a retail blade for opening packages. Okay, I'll put these back in, and the scissors, and the file going in. Now, one more thing in here, and I'll show you what it is. We have a tweezers. Yep, there was a tweezers in there. So, let me see if I can remember where the tweezers go. I think it's right in here. One of these ends. Hold on a minute. It's got to be this end. It does go right in there. There's the tweezer. So, one of the people that watched the video mentioned that I forgot the tweezers. So they were right. And the bottle opener. Alright. And then put it all in there together. And we got the pliers. And the pliers does have a wire cutter in here. It's on a spring. So, yeah, I did miss the tweezers on the Gerber Dime. Okay. Just wanted to straighten that out. And yes, it does all fold nicely in here. Feels like it's very well made to me. It should last. It's a Gerber. Gerber's a good brand. Alright, I'm going to let you go. Thanks for watching.